so welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace and I'm the owner of OMG That's Creative, where we sell party favors and treats for every occasion. Today I wanted to show you a behind the scenes on how to assemble the donut lollipop stick as SVG I created. If you haven't done so already, the template is now available in my shop under DIY blank templates. So let's get started. First thing first, I would recommend uploading your background pattern. For this particular project, I wanted to upload a sprinkle background, so all you would need to do is go to patterns and select upload and select browse. Next, we want to go ahead and create a new project. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and select upload. It. Let's now fix the dimensions to ensure the project is the correct size to fit the lollipop. And by the way, I did purchase the lollipops from Dollar Tree. So select the image. The width for this particular project is going to be 18.215. Don't forget to hit the unlock button. The height is going to be 13.35. You want to do this first before you ungroup. Once that is done, let's go ahead and size this down a little bit so we can see it. Right click, select ungroup. Now, to ensure the sprinkles aren't being cut all over the place, what I would do is select all of your sprinkles and then select attach. Alright guys, so these two shapes right here, they are the same size. However, you will use one for acetate and the other one can be used for your background. So this particular one could be what you'll actually see. I use holographic vinyl for mine. So we can change that to maybe like a light gray color or so. Alright, and then you can change that to maybe like a light pink. So you'll know this is the image you'll see behind the acetate. So this is pretty much what it would look like. And then go under operation, select standard. Then we want to change it here to pattern. Okay, find your pattern. Like I said, we uploaded sprinkles earlier. Alright, and then we want to do the same for this one as well. Select your object, change it to print then cut standard, and then upload your pattern. Okay, perfect. Alright, so once that is done, we're going to go ahead and add some text on the back. Select text. We're just going to say thank you for coming. To my party. Let's go ahead and size it down some. Sorry guys, my screen's acting up a little bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and size it down some. Then I'm going to center it, which is under alignment. And then from here you can actually flatten it because it's going to be a print and cut. And you would just highlight both items and then come down to the right and flatten the image. Alright, so the next thing I would do is actually put maybe a box behind your shapes just so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm just going to expand this and then I'm going to actually send to back. Alright, now the next step I would actually do is add your scoring line. You can just go to shapes, add your lines. Alright, so you can just kind of rotate it. And if you want a perfect horizontal line, you can just go up to the top where it says rotate, change it to 90 degrees. Then you can just move it right here, right at the edge here. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy this one and then here you go. Actually, we add it here, and then we're going to do the same to this one as well. So on the Mac, it's going to be Command V. I'm not sure what it would be on a regular PC to copy and paste. Alright. And honestly, you really don't have to do this. You can actually just do it by hand. Because at least you can definitely tell where, you know, the line should be, the shape should be folded at. So once that's done, remove this part here. We don't need that anymore. And then I'm just gonna highlight this, and then we need to attach it. Same for this, highlight everything and then attach it. So basically the way it's gonna work is this will go here, and then you're gonna have this here, which is what you're gonna be able to see. Then your acetate is gonna go on top of that. So let's bring that on front. So arrange to front. So the acetate is gonna be on the front, and then this is going to go on top of that. Arrange, send to front. All right. So that's what it's gonna look like. Okay. And then what I did was I ended up gluing this in here on top of this in here, directly on top. Okay, that's all you have to do. All right, and then from there, once you decide on what paper you want to use for that, it'll cut it out, and then this can go on the very top, arrange to center front. And then for this, I ended up using just regular 3-in-1 glue. Okay. And then for the sprinkles, like I said, I would recommend using vinyl, and that way you wouldn't actually have to pick at each one to attach it to the acetate. So that's going to be that's going to go on the front. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually put another shape behind it, so you'll be able to see it. So yeah, so basically this is what it would look like. So this flat would actually go over this flat. You can just glue that part right there. Okay. And then once you fold it up, this would actually attach to this. Okay. And then what I did, I actually added like a ribbon for a bow. And yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I did try to rush this. That's why I didn't actually do a tutorial with this. But if you still want a tutorial on actually how to assemble it, I can do it in another video. But I do appreciate you guys supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Have a good day.